back up. Back up. Let's go see the other side. Let's go see the other side.
Oh, I have to do some pretty silly stuff, unless I crawl through the dog door. Which I probably will. What do you think, Timber? You think I should crawl through there? Because I don't feel like dealing with other shit?
Oh. Excuse me. Hi, Sasha. There's Cody. Hi. Yeah. Look at all the snow.
Huh. Just don't knock me over. There, now it's focused. Some bird. Timber, what are you doing? You're such a goof. Huh.
It's pretty. It's pretty. Isn't it? But you're all covered in snow.
Huh. Man, you can see it. Little. My gosh. Well, I guess I'm not driving.
Hi, Cody. Hey, Snowy Puppy. Snowy Puppy.
Are you guys eating snow over there? Oh, no, okay. Alright, hold on. I need pictures now.